your thin skin hair system could last longer and look completely undetectable. Meet the M101V Thin Skin Hair System, the latest innovation from Superhairpieces that is setting a new standard in realism, comfort, and durability. Crafted with a knotless, ultra-thin skin base just 4 to 6 mils thick, the M101V delivers a seamless, scalp-level appearance and a flawless, undetectable hairline. This next-gen base is enhanced for elasticity and softness, making it an ideal choice for summer wear, cool, breathable, and feather light. And now it's built to last longer, nearly double the lifespan of a thin skin system. Here's the cutting edge science behind it. Nanotechnology enhances the polyurethane at the microscopic level, creating unmatched flexibility, tear resistant, while maintaining that invisible skin-like finish. Think strength sandwich. Ultra thin polyurethane outer layers with invisible mesh or polymer fibers inside equals a stronger core and zero bulk. Advanced heat fusion eliminates weak seams, increasing comfort and lifespan. The new sweat-resistant non-stick coating guards against adhesive breakdown and body oils, all while staying breathable and natural looking. The system offers a higher density than the HD111 and M111 models, making it more durable while still maintaining its natural appearance. M101V features 110% density at the front and 100% density throughout the rest. The M101V is for those who demand softness, lightweight, and comfort, and a long-lasting realism without compromise, built to go the distance. For more information on the M101V, be sure to check out our website and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest products. See you next time.